Hello and welcome to this episode of Sunday Special. Today I have a very interesting story for you. Once upon a time there were four college boys and they went out for a party. The next day they had a very important examination, but they were very careless. They thought, let us party whole night and we will see what happens tomorrow. The next day they thought of a plan. They went to the principal of the college and they said that last night we went for a marriage, and while coming back we had a flat tire and we had to push the car all the way to the college campus, and they requested for some time to give the examination. The principal heard them patiently and he said, okay, you can give the exam after 3 days. They were all very happy and then they thought, let us go and again celebrate and we will come after 3 days. After 3 days, they came for the examination and the principal made them sit into separate rooms and he gave them the question paper. When they opened the question paper, it had only one question, and the question said, which tire got flat? Sometimes we have to take responsibility and we have to take wise decisions in life. I will see you next Sunday. Thank you for watching.